Hello students, welcome to today's lecture. In this session, we are going to learn about group discussion, an important component used in admission, scholarship and in other interview process. At this end of this lecture, you will understand what is GD, why it is used, what are the important skills that evaluators look into, uh, how to negate politely with the team, everything you will learn at the end of this lecture. Let's begin. What is group discussion? It is a type of discussion where two or more people share their idea on a particular topic. It is a popular evaluation technique where uh, a panel members can assess your personality, behavior, thoughts within a short span of time. So to be short, we can say GD is all about how you work with the team. It is not just about what you say. It is all about whether you are the right fit for the team or not. You are supposed to possess these following skills: communication skills, how well you're interacting with others; interpersonal skill, how you behave with others; leadership skill, whether you're initiating the team or motivating the team; team building skills, how you're moving on with the team; your analytical and logical skills, reasoning ability. Everything will be assessed by the evaluators. And thinking out of the box, assertiveness, flexibility, creativity, ability to think on one's feet. So as I mentioned earlier, it is all about whether you are the right fit for the team or not, because most of the jobs we work with the people, we work with a lot of people. So it is just to check how you are reacting with the real world situation. So why gene? So there are so many techniques to evaluate people's skill, but why gene? So in a short span of time, the panel members can evaluate your interactive skills, your behavior, your participation, contribution, verbal communication, non-verbal behavior, your decision-making ability in this group discussion. That is why the group discussion is considered as a popular evaluation technique. So if we want to excel in group discussion, we should know what are the things we should do, what are the things we are not supposed to do. So always dress formally, speak first, because how well you are initiating the conversation proves your leadership quality. Maintain eye contact, let others speak. Just because you know many things, it is not that you have to share everything at a time. So you just convey your thoughts and also let others speak. Be assertive, but don't be rude. So there is a thin line between being rude and being assertive. So always please be clear in your points, but don't be rude. Be sensible while expressing your thoughts. And you should also know don'ts of GD. Don't be in informal dress. Don't be disheartened if you cannot get a chance to speak, because we always think that just because we are speaking first we can be a leader. No, it is not that. So even if you didn't get a chance, please don't lose your heart. Wait for your turn. And don't be dominating. Yes, just because you are dominating, it doesn't prove your leadership ability. So leaders always give chance to others, give way to others. So please keep this in mind, and don't get into excess details. Yes, so always convey your points, let others talk, then you convey your point again. So it is not just attest that you have to share all your thoughts together. Group discussion can take in various types. These are the four main types I want to discuss in today's lecture. The first one is factual or topical. In this type of group discussion, you will be given a topic or fact to discuss. Second one is opinion based discussion, where you share your opinions, perspective, and also your experiences. Third one is case study. Here you will be analyzing and discussing a specific case study, sometimes real world problem, how you are resolving a problem, how you are giving solution to that kind of problems will be tested here. Fourth one is interesting one, abstract one. Here you will be, for example, the participants will be given open-ended topic. From that, the participants have to formulate their ideas and opinions. Each group discussion test different kinds of skill set. Some group discussion test your logical thinking, some test your creativity, decision making qualities. So each group discussion is to test one specific skill set. So while doing group discussion, we have to avoid confrontational statements like I disagree, you are wrong, I don't think that is correct, that is not true. Especially we use all these confrontational statement while disagreeing others. We have to understand one thing, that difference of opinion is quite natural in any discussion, but the key is how you disagree politely. That matters a lot. We have to understand one thing, that having difference of opinion is not just proving others wrong, because opinions are not facts. Time to time we learn lot of things, time to time we change our opinion. So always try to understand others' perspective and opinions, because understanding others' opinion and perspective clearly creates a healthy environment. In order to create healthy discussion, so we have to understand others' point of view and perspective. We have to understand one thing, that difference of opinion is not proving others wrong. So we have to know how to disagree others politely. So these are the things you can use. These are the statements you can use while disagreeing others politely. For example, I appreciate your perspective, but I see it bit differently. Here, you are acknowledging others' opinion, but at the same time, you are expressing your disagreement over the statement. So there are a lot of ways to disagree others politely. So always use this polite ways of negating. For example, I personally see it in this way, but I respect your viewpoint. Yes, this is also one of the ways of disagreeing others politely. Where you are just giving respect to others, you are respecting others' opinion, but at the same time, you are expressing your difference of opinion. These are the few statements you can use while negating with others politely. It helps you to express your opinion politely. Why you have to express your opinions politely? Because it always encourages open dialogue and promotes collaboration. It creates a respectful communication. As I mentioned earlier, yes, it creates constructive atmosphere. You have to express your opinion. It should be a constructive criticism. It encourages diverse perspective, because you should express your opinion, at the same time you should be ready to listen to others' opinion as well, because it facilitates compromise between two people. So here we have come to the end of this session. Obviously, group discussion is a powerful tool where the evaluators can assess candidates' personality, communication skills, and leadership quality. As you also prepare for your academic selection and interview, GD will definitely help you to build your confidence and helps you to develop your interpersonal skills. Thank you.